Hi guys, I'm going to try some snacks. They're a little bit weird, but relatively healthy. The ingredient lists look really good. So this first one is okra bites, and okra is kind of slimy, so I don't know how this one would be. And the ingredients is just okra, salt, and oil. This is it. It's like a whole okra with the stem, you know, and it have a neutral scent, nothing. This is a slight okra scent. It actually smells kind of good, like tempting to eat, you know. So this is it. The nice crisps. It's a good replacement for a chip. It's very, very crunchy, and there's a little bit of salt, and it's pretty. I would consider this pretty healthy because it's just oil and okra and salt. So this is pretty good. A little bit weird for a snack, but I'm definitely going to be buying this again. This is really, 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 really good. Okay, so the next one is eggplant chips, and I do like eggplant quite a bit, so I'm hoping that this tastes good. The ingredients is paprika, eggplant, and oil. So I would consider this a relatively healthy snack. But it makes me feel hungry. Or maybe I'm just hungry. It smells good, but I can't describe the scent. Okay, so this is the size of one. It's like a potato chips in terms of how it's breaking. This is really tasty, and I can taste a slight eggplant taste. This is trace of eggplant, nothing much, but just enough. But it's similar to potato chips. So, but it's like they use small eggplants. They're really small, or I don't know. This one passed. It tastes really good. Next one is cauliflower bites. I mean, these things just not sounding like snacks. So it's interesting that it actually tasting good. And this one has just cauliflower, oil, and salt. So it looks just like a cauliflower, a whole cauliflower. Oh. Okay. It's very crispy. Yeah, it's very crispy. This is the next, like, how they have it. Let's see. Okay. Can't believe it's just 3 ingredients. So this is pretty healthy, and it's tasty. With this cauliflower, I'm not sure where all that flavor coming from. It can't just be cauliflower. I mean, cauliflower don't taste this good. Next I have Lesser Evil popcorn, and I'm always impressed with Lesser Evil ingredient list. It's very decent. Most of the ingredients is organic and all natural. So now why I found these weird is that the popcorn is mango peach. Yeah, mango peach. Like, it smells really good though. it smells good. It smells enticing. It smells like popcorn. This is a really odd flavor for popcorn. I don't know if it's sweet. They said they used organic peach and mango flavors. So this is what it looks like. It's normal popcorn color. It's sweet. I don't know what I was expecting. It's very good. It tastes like those caramel, slightly caramel, because it don't really have a lot on it. So it have a kind of, there's a sweet taste, and yeah, it reminds me of caramel popcorn. I just got all curious what the lemon will taste like. So I bought the lemon, and I also bought watermelon and hibiscus because it's like I just needed to know what it would taste like, what the other flavors would taste like. So I don't really have any strong smell. I thought it would smell like citrus. It don't really smell like citrus. It's mildly sweet, mild sweetness, and mild acidicness. It's pretty nice. It's not intense, but it's just perfectly balanced. So I like this one. And next we have watermelon and hibiscus. See why I can stop at one pack. I just needed to know what all of them taste like. Right. So okay, this is what it looks like. It's not looking like it's not any odd color. It's just slightly pinkish. So this one tastes like watermelon. And I don't get any hibiscus flavor, which is kind of more acidic. I'll get in the watermelon, and it's a little bit sweetish. This is really good. I'm surprised that these taste so good. It tastes, it's more on the sweet side of a snack, but it's pleasantly sweet. It's not overpoweringly sweet. So I will go with maybe this one first, because I like the acidic and the sweetness together, and then followed by this one, followed by this one. And in terms of these, I'll say the okra was the best. You have to like okra, but it was the best. Followed by the cauliflower. I still can't believe that this is just cauliflower. It's way too tasty. Then followed by the eggplant, but this is also very good. So all of these I will repurchase again. They're all very good. So that's it. Thank you.